Oh golly, look at that. You know, being on a vacation like this in one of the most beautiful places in the world and doing it by bike adds tremendously to the pleasure of the experience. Just look where we are right now. This is just unbelievable. And I'm experiencing not only the beauty that I see with my eyes, but this is a feast for all your senses. I can do 30 miles.
You sure can, especially with this.
You got that right. Trek Travel takes unbelievable care of you. I mean, you stay in the best hotels, you eat the best food with the neatest people. I can't tell you, everybody should do this. It's fantastic. I'm a woman of a certain age, and if I can do this, anyone can do this. I'm not an avid cyclist. I cycle on the weekends. The van is always available if you need that. With these electric cycles, though, you can go many, many more miles. There is something for everyone at Trek Travel.